Welcome to our channel One to Step. Today's video I will teach you how you guys can log in into your chatbot account. Now chatbot is basically a AI chat which you can chat with, similar to you guys talking with your friends on Messenger or in like iMessage. In this you are going to be talking with an AI. So let me show you how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for chatbot login. So write chatbot login, and after you search for it, the first option where it says chatbot, AI chatbot, click on it. Make sure it takes you to app.chatbot.com. Once you do that, it'll take you to its official website. Once you're in its official website where it says business email, enter your email. So whichever email you used when you created your chatbot account, you need to enter that. Where it says password, you need to enter the password of your account and click on login, and you should be able to log in into your chatbot account. But if you created a chatbot account using Google, Microsoft, Apple or Facebook, you want to click on this option and then log in into your Google or your Microsoft, Apple or your Facebook account, and your account should automatically open up if you have linked it with them. So that's how you guys can log in into your chatbot account. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.